designers, Lauren here. And today we're diving into one of my favorite features on your embedded whiteboard, how to add pages and customize your background to fit your teaching style. Let's start with the basics. In the bottom right corner of your whiteboard, you'll see a plus sign. By tapping this, you will add new pages to your whiteboard. It's that simple. By default, your whiteboard will be plain white. But this is where it gets fun. If you long press on that plus sign down here for just a couple seconds, you'll see a menu pop up. This menu has all of your background options. You'll see a variety of color choices here. A lot of teachers like switching to the dark green background for more of a chalkboard feel. You can also use the color wheel to customize your colors for whatever shade works best for you. Now at the top of this menu, you will see a pattern tab right next to the color. Tap on that and you will see a bunch of different backgrounds to explore. Some fan favorites here are grid paper for math classes. We love this one. Also, notebook paper. This is perfect for formatting essays or even handwriting. And if you scroll just a little bit further here, you'll even find sports themed backgrounds right here, as well as our favorite periodic table of elements. These are built right here into the whiteboard, which means no extra downloads, no extra steps, just quick access to helpful tools. Now on that same menu here, at the very bottom, you will see a section labeled Custom. Custom lets you import your own backgrounds, whether they're saved to your Panel, your Google Drive, or your OneDrive. For example, if you saved an image from Chrome on the panel, when you tap on Custom, it will pop up right here. These are all the photos that I saved here to the panel. I'll tap on the one that I want, and it becomes the background. Or if you're pulling from Google Drive, when you open this again, tap on Custom, you'll notice 3 vertical dots up here on the upper right-hand corner of this menu. Tap on those 3 vertical dots, and then tap the word Browse right here. If you're logged into your Google Drive, it will take you straight to the homepage of your Drive where you can select your image. As a former kindergarten teacher, I was super picky about my handwriting paper. I have my favorite one saved right here in my Drive. And now I can tap it and bring it right here into a whiteboard. Perfect for modeling handwriting alongside my students. These background colors and patterns really make our instruction smoother and more engaging, not just for us, but for our students too. Have fun exploring, and I can't wait to see how you make this tool your own. See you next time.